This is about 1 mile from my apartment. A tornado last night. And
check out the new rewind feature in the radio.com app. Our team coverage continues in the aftermath of last night's tornadoes. We go to Richardson now, where schools have been canceled following the tornado. And a neighborhood around Richland College suffered extensive damage. KRLD's Charlie Hodges joins us live there with more. Charlie?
Mike, I've been traveling with the rescue team from the Richardson Fire Department, going basically door to door on Trail Oaks Drive. So far, fortunately, they have not found anything, but they have found trees down, roof damage, bricks from homes. On one house, when you look at the roof, you can see a whole group of bricks from one house that just sort of fell right on another home. And in a tree where there are no limbs, they're still hanging a mattress and a couple of little splinters up is the feet. It's going to take a while to clean this mess up. Reporting live from Richardson, Charlie Hodges, News Radio 1080 KRLD.
Thanks, Charlie. People in Garland also picking up a lot of damage. Police Lieutenant Pedro Verno says one building in the northwest corner of Miller and Shiloh was almost destroyed completely. The debris from the building hit a number of homes.
The tornado also struck numerous houses, trees, cars. And there was this damage all throughout the residential.
He says no reports of any injuries.
We are learning about damage in Rockwall as well. City leaders are reporting significant damage to multiple homes there. Power lines and trees are down and cleanup efforts are underway, but fortunately no reports of any injuries. That power outage situation, though, we're still in the tens of thousands across North Texas, most of those in Dallas County.
Yeah, about 67,000 of those in Dallas County.
Just got to hang in there.
Yep.
Encore's doing the best it can.
They're working as hard as they can. We have accidents on the Dallas North Tollway in North Dallas and on 35E in Denton. Traffic and weather together on the 8s in 3 minutes.
Genesis of Plano.
we're in East Richardson, just north of Richland College. Neighbors are looking at damage. Big tree down here, uprooted completely. Kind of trying to be discreet making this video because neighbors don't always want a bunch of gawkers driving around, but here's an apartment complex. Office building, several windows blown out. Car flipped over. If we can zoom on that street address on the building. Looks like in this area the tornado was about maybe 100 yards wide. The damage is kind of sporadic. It's like one building's hit hard and the next one's not so bad. Lots of bricks off this building. Fire department's here. All those windows blown out. This is the north side of the building. Anyhow, the tornado was on the ground for possibly more than 10 miles and took a turn.
Breakfast Parade and Festival is a...
Looks like there's about 5 buildings that got hit in this apartment complex. I got several other videos of the tornado, so check it out. Mostly damage.